Today's video is just going to be a short one, just kind of like a shop update video, just to show you what's in the shop, what's going on, projects that are coming, going. There's just a lot of work to be done. Some people know I'm the only person working, so it doesn't take a lot for me to stay busy, especially whenever you're doing a couple full restorations. So pink car is sleeping underneath the cover, so it stays nice and clean at the moment. 70 Boss is sitting back there ready for paint. Just trying to find a painter that can do it over the next couple months so I can finish the car in this year yet. So I'm currently working on finding a painter that can get that done for me at a high quality paint job. So if anyone knows anybody that is in the Pennsylvania area, let me know down in the comments or send me an email. I would appreciate any help. I'm just looking around trying to find someone that can do the job and do it right. So let me know on that one. As far as other cars, you can see it's pretty empty in here. There's no other cars in here actually, which is good for me. That means I'm getting finally caught up on some of the jobs I'm doing. I have 2 cars at paint. A 69 Mach 1 that's actually getting a Godzilla 7.3 engine. I already test fit that in. That was a car that I've worked on that I don't have videos on. Customer's car. I have the 67 Shelby clone is at paint. And in the other garage, my sheet metal garage, I'm working on a 67 Fastback where I'm just doing the sheet metal for a guy. I'm getting close to that one. I was working on fitting up the back end. So that's going on there. Also, I'm not doing any videos on that. And some good news, the pink Coupe, which I had some videos on, which you can't really see, I'm going to show you. It's underneath the cover also. That car is actually sold, which is good news for me. I had it listed looking to sell it, and I'm actually going to be fully restoring that back to original for that customer. So I'm really excited about that, just because I bought that car wanting to restore it for myself to keep it, to go with the pink Fastback. So I had the Dusk Rose pink and I had a Playmate pink car. I thought they would be cool side by side. So that's exciting news. I'll be doing that car. So eventually I'll be tearing it down shortly, get it blasted. I got to do all the sheet metal to it, send it off to paint. So that's a full restoration also. So between the Boss 302, the 2 cars that are at paint, that pink car, I have 4 full restorations that are sitting here in the process. So yeah, just real busy. I'd like to film some things throughout. I'd like to get some more videos going out there. So trying to get back into the rhythm of pumping out some videos. So I appreciate everyone that's stuck around watching the videos. I'll have some more hands-on videos coming out where I'm actually doing some work. I'll also have some videos just showcasing some cars. I'd like to do a video on my dad's 66. The Chevy Nova that I restored is local to me. I'd like to do a video on that. Even my wife's car is a 64.5 convertible that I fully restored. Could do a video on that. There's lots of cars around that I could do, so I would like to do some cruising around videos and showcase some cars. Yeah, something different to do. So look forward to some videos coming out. I appreciate everyone that's been watching, liking the videos, sharing. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to catch everyone up on what's going on. Feeling pretty good at the moment. Things are moving along the way that they should. I just need to find a painter. So if you know a painter, let me know. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.